Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting new electric camper vans of 2025. A perfect blend of style, sustainability, and smart design. This compact EV might just be the future of urban camping and minimalist. Travel. Right from the outside, you'll notice the sleek aerodynamic body finished in a soft pastel green. It's compact yet bold, with sharp LED headlights, a futuristic front grille, and lightweight alloy wheels that give it a sporty edge. The side profile is clean and modern, and the automatic sliding door makes entering the van effortless. Let's step inside, and this is where things really get interesting. The interior is a beautifully designed space. It's fully lined with warm wood paneling that immediately gives a cozy, cabin-like feel. It's compact, yes, but every inch is thoughtfully utilized. You've got a functional worktop area, built-in storage for your gear, and ambient ceiling lighting that adds a warm glow. Perfect for winding down in the evening. There's also a window positioned to let in plenty of natural light, which makes the small space feel much more open. Whether you're working remotely, relaxing, or just enjoying a quiet moment in nature, this interior has everything you need without any clutter. And being fully electric, this camper van is not only quiet and smooth on the road, but also eco-friendly. It's ideal for those who want to explore without leaving a heavy carbon footprint. With regenerative braking and a range suitable for city escapes or short road trips, it's built for the modern adventurer. What really stands out is how this van combines innovation with simplicity. It doesn't try to do everything. Instead, it focuses on doing the essentials incredibly well. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a digital nomad, this 2025 electric camper van could be the perfect companion. The 2025 electric camper van is expected to launch with a starting price of around $32,000 to $38,000, depending on the configuration and optional features. This pricing makes it one of the most affordable electric camper options on the market, especially considering its sleek design, high-quality interior finish, and zero-emission performance, with incentives or rebates in certain regions. The final cost could be even more attractive for eco-conscious travelers looking for a stylish and functional mobile home. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you take this on your next road trip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future forward vehicle reviews.